Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Just thought I'd show you a selection of beautiful blue beads from Totally Beads, which is an online shop, and basically you buy 15 items in a bag for £5 instead of £15, which is an absolute bargain. Some of these are absolutely beautiful colours. You get all different coloured bags. You have blues, greens, your greys and black, and also your browns and yellows, etc. So you get all sort of different bags. Some are out of stock at the moment. Obviously they can't get their deliveries at all, so because of COVID. So yeah, beautiful colours. I'll show you a couple of them closer up. These are glass. I think they're a 12mm glass blue rounds. Lovely colours. I mean, you could make earrings with those or anything, so, and put onto necklaces. And then you have the pendant, which is beautiful colours. I actually like the back of it. The green's lovely, and that is a sort of lamp work glass. And then you have these glass hearts. I noticed one is a little marked inside, so probably an air bubble, but even so you can still make some lovely necklace pendants with those. And then you have sort of acrylic beads, which are quite nice. With these ones I may add them to some curtain ties that I'm going to make, because they have fairly big holes in them, so that will be good, along with these ones, which are wood, have huge holes, so they are sort of striped blues and whites, really nice. And then we move on to these are kind of a plastic, but are actually quite nice colours. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those. Maybe again some tie backs so they're not too heavy. Then we have these ones, which I absolutely love. The holes are fairly big in them, so I can make something nice with those. I was actually thinking of a bathroom light, you know, to put on the bottom of the string to turn the bathroom light on. I have 4 of those. And then obviously we have our mixed beads bags, seed beads, all different sizes, and also these little, I'm not sure what they are. Oh, I think they're fish. They've got big holes in too. They're sort of like little fish, ceramic, quite cute. There's 2 of those. The other ceramic beads that came in that pack are these ones. They're sort of like a patterned, sort of look like they're cracked. They're quite nice. I think there's 3 of those. Also these ones, I was quite unsure at first until I opened them what they were. They are actually like glass chips of sort of, I think they have sort of kind of flowers on them, but they are fairly small, but I thought they were quite cute. So maybe for one of my cluster bracelets, mixed in with some white or opaline bead, to sort of break them up a little bit, but they're gorgeous colours. So yeah, oh, and this one is they're 6x5mm rondelles, gorgeous blue, sort of blues and purples in there, really nice colour. So they'll probably look nice on a cluster as well. And then these little ones here are sort of flowers. They have the holes. These feel like they're like a wood, quite small. There's quite a few in that bag. But yeah, really nice colours. I thought I'd show you those because, you know, they are really nice. So hoping to maybe make a few bits, and then on my next video I could show you what I've actually made with these, which would be interesting. Okay, thanks very much. If you can like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I will be making some bits shortly and do some videos for you, and so yeah, okay then, thank you, bye.